We maintain and monitor our infrastructure to help ensure service is not interrupted, but occasionally gas outages do happen. The most common reason is damage to our underground pipes. Occasionally, a third-party excavator will hit our pipes accidentally. When this happens, safety is our #1 priority. Liberty personnel is available 24/7 to respond to gas incidents and make the areas safe. In most cases, we can repair the damage with no interruption in service to our customers, but other times it is necessary to shut off the flow of gas to make repairs. This may only affect a few customers, or it may affect a larger number. To safely restore service, we must take several steps. First, the damage must be isolated by turning off the flow of gas. Next, we must visit each residence and business affected by the outage and turn off the gas service at each individual location. We need access to your meter to do this. Only then can repairs be made. Sometimes the damage can be repaired, but there are occasions when a section of pipe needs to be replaced. Once the damage is fixed, it must be pressure tested to ensure integrity of the repair or replacement. Air is then purged out of the system and gas is reintroduced. After careful safety checks are performed, we can begin restoring service. Our crews must visit each home and business a second time, turn on the individual service, and check all gas appliances inside the home or business. If no one is home when we visit, information will be left so you can call to schedule your turn-on. Do not try and turn your gas meter on or off yourself. This should only be done by a trained Liberty technician. Rest assured, we will work diligently until all service is restored. Liberty, energy and water for life.